Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Thursday, December 15, 2023. Here's an update on the 5200 bottom we are installing on our 1955 17-foot Chris-Craft Sportsman. As you can see, Rick and Joe are in the process of applying planks over the plywood inner skin, and I'll hand it off to Joe so he's got the microphone, so you can tell us what you guys are doing.
Yeah, so yesterday we got all the planks back off after we got them all pre-cut and all mapped out. And we did all of our CPS both on the back sides of the new Meranti planking and our crosshatch Aquatech. I think it's 6mm. So all that is cured, and now we are going through, after we took them off, we marked out where every plank, every batten, where everything is. So we start one plank up to the keel, get it all buttered up, and what we'll do is we'll be able to find our holes with the screw. So all these holes aren't actually here. There's about 5 in every plank when we dry fit it. So that way it's assuring we're putting it back in the same exact place when we fit it the first time. So it makes the process go a lot faster. So I'm hoping by the end of today we'll have this side done and pretty much all of the starboard side done, so we can allow it to cure and start with all of our fairing and more CPES.
And I noticed you're putting the battens that go between the frames. You've already got those installed.
Yeah, so I tried a little new trick. A lot of the time, further back on the boats, it's not all that hard to do.
Whoop.
But
these are the battens.
Right, yeah. So
that's the 5200 I just smeared all over.
When I do it, I label out B for batten, F for frame, so that way you're not driving a 2-inch screw through a 5/8 batten. That would be awful. But for bigger guys, it's a lot harder to get up into the front of the boat trying to hold a batten in place while another guy is trying to find where they go. So as I laid this down, all of our plywood, I actually tacked on all of our battens with 5200, so that way they're already installed and we'll be able to put every screw in the bottom of this boat in one day rather than having to put the battens in on another day. And it just makes it so much easier on our fairing process too as well.
Yeah. She's looking like she's coming along nicely, and won't be too long before we'll have her painted and flipped and back on her trailer. So I'll let you guys keep going, and we'll be back with another update in a day or two. That's our update on our 1955 17-foot Chris-Craft Sportsman True 5200 bottom. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.